everybody, Avalon season here. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry, it's a really bumpy road, but we have some awesome news. I just got off the phone. I couldn't wait to get home and say it, so I was like, you know what? Put the phone on the camera mount or on the phone mount. Let's hit that record button. Let's get this thing started. So, just got off the phone with my dealership. No, well, not my own dealership, but the dealership I ordered my C8 Corvette through, and I got some news. They told me that they only were able to get, they only got 2 allocations this month for the car, and I was like, wow, this sucks. I don't know when I'm gonna get my car. Good news is I was #1 on their allocation list, so I'm going to be getting a call before next week, or I'm going to go up there maybe tomorrow or this weekend or something like that, and I'm going to go finalize my order for my 2022 C8 Stingray. Yes, I placed my deposit in 2020. I've been waiting 2 model years, almost 3 model years now, for the car, but it's finally coming. So all you guys that are like, yo, you don't even own one, blah, blah, blah. You can only say that for like 2-3 months maybe. I'm super excited. I hope you all are excited. But it brought me to this point where I'm very, very confused. If you have seen my last video, you would understand why I'm confused. But before we get to that, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Real quick, just helps out everything, and my family and I greatly appreciate it, so thank you very much. But the last video, I announced that the 2023 model year production is going to start very soon. So, what does that mean? Does that mean that the Z06s are coming sooner? So now I'm all in my head where I'm like, okay, well, do I really want to get, you know, do I really want to ball out on the C8 Stingray just to have to turn around to trade it in for the Z06? And everybody's gonna be like, oh, you're gonna retain your value and stuff like that. Yes and no, I understand that. But it's also like, well, if I'm not gonna have the car that long, do I really need to pay for all the creature comforts? So, hear me out. For you guys, all you guys are going to want to see is the content with it. So the performance of the car, whether it's racing, 0 to 60, reaction videos, and like the mods I'm going to do to it. You guys don't really care if it has heated seats or cold seats. You don't. That's a me thing, right? So if I'm running this smart, like a business, it's like, hey, what if I get rid of some of those creature comforts and I save 7 grand? Not bad, because I'm going to be spending that money anyway on the Z06, and it also leaves more money for me to do more mods and crazier mods, not just like little things, you know, and get nicer stuff. Because as we all know, like, I'm not rich, but we're making do. So what's come to me is I absolutely loved the Rapid Blue on the C8s. I still love it. I think it's the best color I've ever seen on any Chevy car or GM product. And honestly, basically for any car for that matter. I absolutely love it. That's why we wrapped the Supra, which I'm driving right now, close to that color, because it's such a great color. It stands out, it pops, it draws the attention, and it makes the body lines look amazing. But a lot of people have the Rapid Blue because a lot of people like it, just like me. So how do I make it stand out? Well, I wish I knew someone that owned a wrap shop. Oh, wait. I do. So, I think instead we're going to switch up our order a little bit. We're not going to get Rapid Blue. We're going to get a different color, and I'm going to wrap it a color that no other C8 Corvette I've ever seen has, and quite possibly I've never seen this color on any other vehicle. At least not in person. I have never seen it. I saw it online. I said, I want that. It's a special order color because they don't make a lot of it. It looks crazy. I love it. It fits everything that we're trying to do with standing out. So I think I'm going to go with that. Now, 2, as I kind of mentioned earlier, I don't really need the 2LT anymore. Because is it going to help for resale value? Yeah, probably. But it has the creature comforts, heated seats, cooled seats, mirror camera, blah, 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 blah. I can't even think of the term. It's on your mirrors, like your side markers, traffic indicators, however you want to say it, blind spot indicators, stuff like that. I honestly don't need that. I've dealt with a lot of cars that don't have that stuff. So, did I want this car to be the one that did have it? Yes, I did when I was going to get the car a year ago or 2 years ago. Now that the Z06 is coming, I kind of want to save that money and put it towards a nicer model Z06. Now, I know everyone's probably going to go in the comments and be like, well, if you got the 2LT and you spent the money, you're going to get it back. Yes and no. I'm honestly worried about that because I am not getting a first Z06, like the first Z06 coming out. Now, granted, they are still going to be hard to find, but I think the Stingray market is going to take a hit. I'd rather take a hit off of $60,000 than take a hit off of almost $80,000. I don't know. It makes sense in my head, I guess. I don't know. It makes sense to me. But I will say there are some things that I definitely have to have. I need the wing. I love the high wing. I know a lot of people don't like the high wing. Or people like the wingless look. I'm not a big fan of the Z51 wing. I think it's too small. Like, I think if you're going to do it, you got to do it. So we're going to go with the high wing on the car. Another thing is you can get black wheels for the car, which that's originally what I wanted to do. Black wheels is basically it's a $995 option, so a $1,000 option. But to get them powder coated is like $500, and they're the exact same wheel as the stock ones. So they want to get the stockies, the chromies, or not chrome, you know what I mean, the silver wheels. Get them, have them be powder coated while we're wrapping, which is going to be awesome. And also the black one that it comes with has like a weird chrome silver outline ring on it on the outside. It just doesn't fit. I like it blacked out. So I think, yeah, there's a lot of stuff going through my head right now on like how I need to change this order up. I really wanted to do the Z51, but there's really not that many perks to it for a short time owning the car. Now, granted, this could backfire on me. This 100% could backfire and I not get the Z06 for like 5 years. And then I'm stuck with this car, which, I mean, let's be honest, you're not really stuck. But you just don't have the creature comforts that you really like. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm not 80 years old. I'm not 60 years old. I'm not 40 years old. I'm not even 30 years old. So, my body, even though I feel like I'm 100, thanks the military, aka the Army, I really don't need all that stuff. Even though I do use my heated seats in the Supra every single day. But I'll get over it. I'll get over it. So, I think we're going to go with the lightest weight car possible. So 1LT, no front lift, no Z51, none of that stuff. I want the lightest car I can possibly get my hands on. And I'm going to shoot for the best times you guys have ever seen on a stock car. We're going to start it out stock, then we'll sprinkle a little extra something in there, which I'm very excited about, in case you can't tell. But I think that's what I'm going to do, and it's kind of I'm torn because I've had that one car built in my head for so long, but now I'm like, I can make it better for less money. Now, obviously, I'm not going to put in heated seats, cooled seats, that kind of stuff, or the extra speakers, but I can make it better appearance-wise, performance-wise, for less money. And I think that's what it's all about. So, I guess what I'm going to do. I don't know, you guys got to let me know. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do. Should I stick with the 2LT, or what would you recommend, when knowing full and well that unless like I absolutely fall in love with the car, or I give it to the wife or something like that, I'm like 99% sure I'm going to trade it in when the Z06 comes. I'm not going to be one of these flippers that everyone talks about I'm not going to get the car and flip it the same day, even though 90% of the people I talk to were like, you need to do that, dude. It's 30 grand. Like, why are you not? Well, it's because that would be, you know, the pot calling the kettle black, for example, because I literally said people shouldn't be doing that. So I can't do that. Hypocritical. So I'm not, and I really want the car, so I don't care about that. But what do you think I should do? You got to keep it in mind that I'm only going to have the car maybe a year, 2 years at the most. I hope, I'm really hoping it's only a year. Hopefully I can still get a first model year car Z06. That would be awesome. But if not, maybe I'll get one of the first 2024s. Which would also be cool because it gives that whole year for GM to kind of fix any bugs or issues that's going to come with the car. Because there's going to be some. There's going to be some. But, yeah, please let me know. I'm trying to figure out if I'm doing this wrong, if I'm thinking too much about it, not thinking about it enough. Help me out here. Help me out. But with all that being said, if you did like today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family. I will see you all next time. Dad Bod Season out.